So, what happened is our dryer is not heating well. Always clean the screens and everything, but it's taking too long to dry. So, So as you can see, this is the result. You know, it's like so I'm gonna do some inside also, but this is the result of your dryer accumulated. You have to clean this every year. Supposedly, we haven't cleaned in a long time, so we'll see. I'm gonna go down there now. So here it is. We're inside the dryer, the back of the dryer. When I took this off, this was like totally clogged up. And this is a very big safety over here. So what I'm going to do is so this is the final result. I got everything connected downstairs. The dryer, I got a dryer on. So right now we're testing. It was plenty of, debris inside, a lot of lint inside. This is why you got to clean this every year. So this is the result. Look at this bag and look at this. As you can see the air moving. The vent is like moving pretty. Really hard. You can see the big difference. So this is what you want to see in the dryer vent. You don't want to. We weren't getting any air whatsoever, and what happened was it was all clogged up in the line. So please, this is prevent fires in your house. Please fix this every year. All right, guys, stay safe.